plus 8 squared equals what? That number 2, the small little 2 above the 6 and the 8 means squared when you multiply a number by itself. So 6 times 6 is 36, 8 times 8 is 64. You add those together, you have a nice even round number of 100. Your answer is 100 for question 1. Number 2, name two factors common to both 24 and 36. So what one number fits into those two numbers, 24 and 36? Well, there are a few. First of all, they're even numbers, so the number 2 will fit in. So we check, we keep going up in order. The number 3, will 3 fit in? 3 fits into 24 8 times, and 36 12 times, so 3 works. The number 4 fits into 24 6 times. 4 fits into 36 9 times, so the number 4 works. Number 5 doesn't fit into 24 or 36. Number 6 fits into 24 4 times and 36 6 times. So we have lots of numbers there, so we'll stay at 2 and 3. We'll go with the answers for this for question 2. Number 3, Mum bought a set of 5 cups and a sugar bowl for €5. The bowl cost €1.25. What did each cup cost? First of all, the whole set cost €5. We must take away the cost of the bowl. The bowl cost €1.25. If we take that away, we're left with €3.75. So altogether, the 5 cups cost $3.75. We divide $3.75 then by 5. You can find out what each cup cost. And you divide that, you're left with 75 cents. So each cup cost 75 cents. Number 4, what is the length of a rectangle whose area is 60 centimeters squared and whose width is 5 centimeters? Well, to work out the area of a rectangle, you multiply length by width. In this case, we already know that the width is 5 centimeters. Alright, we want to get a rectangle whose area is 60 centimeters squared and whose width is 5 centimeters. But to find the area, you multiply the length by the width. In this case, we already know that the width is 5 centimeters. So we divide the total area, which is 60 centimeters squared, divide that by 5, you're left with 12. So 12 centimeters is your length for question 4. Question 5. Claire and Katrina shared a prize. For every €1 Claire got, Katrina got €2. What fraction of the prize did Claire get? So we said Claire only got €1. That's our total prize money. We don't even need to use what Katrina got, but when we add what Katrina and Claire both got, that's €3. And Claire only got €1 out of €3, a total €3. That's 1 over 3. That's a fraction of 1/3, and that's the fraction of the prize money that Claire got. Question 6. 0.06 of €50 equals what? So again, change 0.06 decimal into a fraction, and you get 6 over 100. And then use our rule, divide the bottom, multiply the top. You divide €50 by the bottom by 100, you're left with 5. And then you move it over one more place, you're left with 50. So you're left with 50 cents. You divide €50 by 100, it's 50 cents, and multiply by 6, your answer is €3. So question 6, €3. Question 7. The year 2010 was in what century? Now, the year 1 AD was in the 1st century, and so on. You move into 2 AD, 3 AD, they were still all the 1st century. When you go into 101 AD or 100 AD, that's the 2nd century. Now, the millennium, the year 2000, we changed into the 21st century. Before that, 1999 was the 20th century. So we are now in the 21st century. 2010 and 2016, the year we're in now, equals the 21st century. Number 8. Ham is €15 a kilogram. What will 100 grams cost? €15 for a kilogram. There are 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram, and this, we're told we want to find out what 100 grams is going to cost. So it's €15 for 1,000 grams. For 100 grams, that's 1/10. 100 grams is 1/10 of a kilo. So we simply divide 15 by 10. We divide €15 by 10, move all the places, one decimal place to the right, and you're left with €1.50. So it's €1.50 for 100 grams of ham. Number 9. Dar is facing east. If he turns clockwise through 3 right angles, in what direction will he be facing? Well, draw a simple compass here. North, south, east, and west. And we know that Dara is already facing east. So Dara is here at the star. And he turns clockwise. Turning clockwise, he's going this direction through three right angles. Well, when he gets to south, he's turned through 1. When he continues on to west, he's turned through 2. And he continues on to north, he's turned through 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we are, 1, 2, 3. So he's now going to be facing in the direction of north. And number 10, a wheel has a circumference of 2.5 meters. What distance will it cover in 10 full turns? In 2 turns, you simply multiply by 2. In 10 turns, you multiply 2.5 by 10. Much easier to multiply by 10 when we have a whole number, you add a 0. When you multiply a decimal by 10, move all the places, move all the numbers one decimal place to the left. Okay, decimal point stays in the same place, and we're left with 25.0 meters, or just 25 meters.